Hi everyone, today we're going to make a kite. To make your kite, you need three things today. You need a piece of cellophane paper, you need 3 pieces of bamboo skewers, you need 2 pieces of string that is about 30 centimeter long. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to lay out 2 of your bamboo skewers end to end along your paper, and this tells you how long it's going to be. Next, you're going to take one of your strings and you're going to tie your bamboo together. Hold the string on the end, pick up the bamboo and the string together, and all you have to do is just wind it over each other. You got to make sure it's very, very tight. Tight as you can. And wind it until you don't have any more string left. After you've wound all your string together, you've got 2 ends that you need to tie off into a loop. Do your best. It might help to get a friend to help you tie this, but you must make sure it's nice and tight. Make it into a loop and pull it over. Once you've got one knot, go ahead and do another one. All done. Now you should have a piece of, this is the center of your kite. Next, you're going to take your other stick and you're going to put it about 10 centimeters from the top. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to tie it again. You can use a ruler or just the palm of your hand. You're going to tie the rope around. Take your other rope. Put it under and just make one tie. Tie one knot first. Nice and tight. Right. And then what you're going to do is you're going to wind around diagonally on the sides. And then you're going to switch around. And you're going to wind the other side. And you can see here is we're getting a bit of a cross this way and this way. Okay. Make sure you do it nice and tight so it doesn't move around. Okay. Once you get to the end, just tighten 2 knots together. If it's a little bit tricky, ask a friend to give you a hand. If your knot is very loose, it's okay to take it apart and try it again. What you want to make sure is it doesn't slide in and out, okay? Right, there we go. This is the start of your kite. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a Sharpie and you're going to draw the lines of your kite. Just go around the edge. Doesn't have to be perfect. As best as you can. You should have a rough diamond shape. Now what I want you to do is go and cut it out. Feel free to pause the video and do this bit. It's going to take you a bit of time. Don't throw these pieces away because we're going to use it for the tail. Okay, there we go. That's our kite. Next, you're going to go and get some tape. You're going to need 4 pieces of tape. When you get your pieces of tape, you don't need much, only about 5 centimeters. Cut it into a little square and cut out 4 of them. And have it ready by your work table. With our 4 pieces of tape, we're going to tape the 4 edges of our kite. It doesn't matter if it's not perfectly centered, that's okay. Put the tape down and make sure you flatten it nice and straight. Right, there we go. If you have some tape left over on the edges, push it over. So this is your kite, all done. Now the next thing you need to make is the tail. Remember the long strips of paper we had? Take your 2 longest pieces and cut them in half, roughly. And the other one. What you're going to do is you're going to tape these 2 together and join it to the end of your kite. And this has to go all the way at the end. One more piece of tape. All done. If your kite is really loose in the middle, you can put another piece of tape over here. Last thing you need to do is put some string over here, about 50 centimeters, and that's your kite done. Take your string, put it under, and tie 2 knots on there. Best you can. If you need help, call a friend. There we go. This is our kite done. Alright, that's kind of cool. And if you have this made like this, you should be able to take it outside and try to fly it. Give it a go, guys.